Donald Trump, a man known for his bold pronouncements, hasn't always been a fan of Bitcoin. His outspoken nature has often put him at odds with the rapidly evolving world of digital currencies. In 2019, he famously called it highly volatile and based on thin air. His comments echoed the sentiments of many traditional investors who viewed Bitcoin with suspicion and doubt. He even went as far as saying he wasn't a fan of cryptocurrencies in general, preferring the stability of the US dollar. To him, the dollar represented a tried-and-true system, backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. This skepticism wasn't surprising. Trump, a real estate mogul, built his empire on tangible assets, not digital ones. His wealth was grounded in physical properties, skyscrapers, and golf courses, not in the abstract world of digital finance. Bitcoin, with its wild price swings and complex technology, seemed like the opposite of everything he stood for. The unpredictable nature of cryptocurrencies clashed with his preference for the concrete and the reliable. However, times change, and so do opinions. The world of finance is no exception, and the rapid evolution of the crypto market has forced many to reconsider their initial stances. The crypto landscape has evolved drastically since Trump's initial dismissal. Major companies and financial institutions have started to embrace Bitcoin, recognizing its potential as a legitimate asset class. Bitcoin has matured, gaining institutional acceptance and proving its resilience. It has weathered numerous storms and emerged stronger, earning a place in the portfolios of some of the world's most influential investors. Could Trump, a man known for his pragmatism and ability to adapt, be changing his tune? As the world continues to shift and new financial paradigms emerge, it remains to be seen whether Trump will embrace the digital revolution or remain steadfast in his traditional views. Recent events suggest a possible shift in Trump's stance on Bitcoin. Historically, Trump has been quite vocal about his skepticism towards cryptocurrencies, often expressing concerns about their volatility and potential for misuse. However, recent developments indicate a nuanced change in his perspective. His embrace of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, a technology closely linked to the blockchain that underpins Bitcoin, is a telling sign. NFTs have gained immense popularity for their ability to represent ownership of unique digital assets, and Trump's involvement in this space is noteworthy. In December 2022, Trump launched his own NFT collection, selling out within hours and generating millions. This move not only highlights his willingness to engage with blockchain technology, but also his understanding of its potential for generating revenue and engaging with a digital-savvy audience. This foray into the NFT world suggests an openness to exploring new technologies and digital assets. It marks a significant departure from his previous stance and indicates a broader acceptance of the digital economy's growing influence. Furthermore, some of Trump's close advisors have publicly voiced their support for Bitcoin. These advisors, who have significant influence over his policy decisions, have been advocating for the benefits of cryptocurrencies, emphasizing their potential to revolutionize the financial system. This shift in tone, coupled with the changing crypto landscape, raises the question: could Trump be considering a more crypto-friendly approach in his potential future presidency? As the world increasingly embraces digital currencies, Trump's evolving stance could signal a strategic move to align with the future of finance and technology. The rumor mill is churning with a particularly bold claim: Trump might consider adding Bitcoin to the US National Reserve. This idea, while still in the realm of speculation, has captured the imagination of many. This speculation, while unconfirmed, has sent shockwaves through the financial world. Financial analysts and cryptocurrency enthusiasts alike are buzzing with excitement and skepticism. The National Reserve, a country's stockpile of assets like gold and foreign currencies, is a symbol of economic strength and stability. Traditionally, these reserves have been composed of tangible assets that are considered safe and reliable. Adding Bitcoin, a decentralized and volatile asset, would be a radical departure from traditional financial policy. Bitcoin's value can swing dramatically in short periods, making it a risky addition to any national reserve. It would signal a bold embrace of the digital age and could potentially disrupt the global financial order. Such a move might encourage other nations to consider digital currencies as part of their reserves. But is it a realistic possibility, or just wishful thinking from the crypto community? The idea raises many questions about the future of money and the role of digital assets in our economy. Only time will tell if this revolutionary concept will become a reality or remain a fascinating what if. Proponents of Bitcoin argue that its inclusion in the National Reserve could bring several benefits to the US. Firstly, it could act as a hedge against inflation, which has been a growing concern in recent years. Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold, is seen by many as a store of value that can withstand economic turmoil. Secondly, it could enhance America's competitiveness in the global financial landscape. As more countries explore central bank digital currencies or CBDCs, the US risks falling behind. Embracing Bitcoin could position the US as a leader in the digital asset space. Red flags: the risks of a Bitcoin gamble. However, the potential benefits of Bitcoin come with significant risks. Its volatility could introduce instability into the National Reserve, potentially jeopardizing the US economy. Critics argue that Bitcoin's value is purely speculative, making it a risky bet for a nation's financial future. Furthermore, Bitcoin's decentralized nature could clash with the government's desire for control over monetary policy. The ability to create and manage its own currency has always been a cornerstone of national sovereignty. Embracing Bitcoin could challenge this fundamental principle. Crypto shockwaves brace for impact. Trump's potential embrace of Bitcoin would send ripples across the entire cryptocurrency market. The price of Bitcoin would likely skyrocket, driven by increased demand and mainstream acceptance. Other cryptocurrencies could also benefit from the Trump bump, as investors gain confidence in the sector. However, this surge could be followed by increased scrutiny and regulation. Governments around the world, wary of Bitcoin's decentralized nature, might tighten their grip on the crypto market. This regulatory uncertainty could create volatility and hinder the long-term growth of the industry. The global stage, a new financial order. The potential integration of Bitcoin into the US National Reserve could have far-reaching implications for the global financial landscape. It could trigger a domino effect, prompting other nations to reconsider their stance on cryptocurrencies. Countries facing economic instability or seeking to reduce their reliance on the US dollar might see Bitcoin as a viable alternative. This shift could lead to a more multipolar financial system, where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies play a significant role. The US dollar's dominance could be challenged, potentially reshaping global power dynamics. The power shift: decentralization versus government control. Trump's potential embrace of Bitcoin raises fundamental questions about the future of finance. Bitcoin, by its very nature, represents a shift away from centralized control towards a more decentralized system. This shift challenges the traditional role of governments and financial institutions in controlling money. The outcome of this power struggle remains uncertain. Will governments find ways to regulate and control Bitcoin, integrating it into the existing financial system? Or will Bitcoin's decentralized nature ultimately prevail, leading to a more open and democratic financial system? Winners and losers. Who benefits from a Bitcoin America? The potential rise of Bitcoin America would create both winners and losers. Early adopters of Bitcoin, who recognized its potential early on, stand to gain significantly from its mainstream acceptance. Tech companies and entrepreneurs operating in the crypto space would also benefit from the increased legitimacy and investment. However, traditional financial institutions, accustomed to operating within a centralized system, might struggle to adapt. Governments, accustomed to controlling monetary policy, could see their power diminished. The transition to a Bitcoin-powered economy would be disruptive, creating both opportunities and challenges. The future is uncertain, navigating the crypto maze. The future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market remains uncertain. Trump's potential embrace of Bitcoin adds another layer of complexity to an already unpredictable landscape. The potential benefits are undeniable, but so are the risks. Navigating this uncharted territory requires careful consideration, a willingness to embrace change, and a healthy dose of caution. The decisions made today will shape the future of finance for generations to come. A call for caution: proceed with open eyes. As we stand at the cusp of a potential Bitcoin revolution, it's crucial to proceed with open eyes. The allure of quick riches and technological disruption can be intoxicating, But it's essential to remember that Bitcoin is still a relatively new and untested asset. It's crucial to educate ourselves about the technology, understand the risks, and approach the market with a healthy dose of skepticism. The future of finance is being written, and it's up to us to ensure it's a future built on sound principles and informed decisions.